G'day guys, so in this video I just want to show you how I mark up my daily S&R levels, and I also do the fibs of any recent swing highs and lows. Obviously if it's ranging, you've got sort of ranging conditions, then that's not something I can do, but I will mark the top and the bottom of the range at least. So the way I like to do it is get on the daily and change the, I've already done it with this, but change the rectangle tool up here. I change it to a different color and I know what that is, so this is the color I use for my fibs. So we'll go through with the retracement tool. I'll do a couple pairs. This is the dollar Swiss, so mark up the fib, the recent swing low to the swing high, considering it's an up move. Mark in our box. Now, because this is the daily, you want to get these bang on, you know, get it exactly in between the two lines. It should snap in there, and then just delete the fib. So over to the AJ. Now see, this is sort of maybe kind of starting to range, downtrend-ish, but you know what I mean. But I would still draw up my fib from here, the swing low to the swing high of this recent up move, and put in my box like that. Okay, if you don't know how I'd use the retracement tool, I've done a previous video already explaining that. One more, we'll do the AU. Again, we've got like this retracement thing happening already of this up move, but I would still mark it in. I know this is like the noise before, but you know, it's still kind of like the low. I'd mark it up. Again, now see, we've broken through this fib already, but we're starting to come back up again now. I've said it before, the market's not perfect, so I still, that is what it is. I mark that up, and if price continues up, this is still a valid level. As I go back through later and mark my S&R, I might even put a little box through here, so delete that. Alright, so next is the S&R. Get my box, rectangle properties, I choose salmon usually, light salmon. And off we go. So I'll definitely mark this little area here. And through here. Take them into account. Now I'd also mark this here because it was like this resistance through here. It was valid here and here. Double top. We came through previous support turns resistance, so we'll leave that there, and you can see we sort of entered that level and it's now turned into a support by the looks of it, and off we go. It didn't get down to the fib, so I'd mark that up as well. So that's the S&R done. Move across again. AJ, we've already got our fib. I'd mark this in. I'd mark that as well. So this support was like the fib. I wouldn't worry about that. I would put this in for sure. It's a long way away, but again, there's no, it doesn't take long. Chuck it in, you know. I mean, I'd probably even do something like this here. So one more, we'll do the AU. So it's pretty easy, there's not much to it. The main thing I want to show you with this video is just, I mean, this is probably nothing new to you guys, but just the changing of the colors of the rectangle tool. It makes it so much easier to distinguish between like any other levels you marked up and something that is longer term, like this. So I'll do that, but then you see when we go in the hourly, we know we're in this longer term fib, light blue, long term fib, and I always just change my box back, the rectangle tool. Where are we? Whoop. There we go. Back to the grey. So this is like my shorter term colour. I know if I've got this marked up in my chart, it's probably a fib or some S&R from the hourly time frame. And yeah, that's how I do that. So you can see when you move the chart, in comes our longer term stuff here. Keeps things clean, and yeah, you know what everything is. Keeps it all in order. Thank you.